Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple jet fighter. This paper airplane is a new design and it doesn't fly very well. It's just a model, but it does fly for a short distance. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, you can use A4 paper. First of all, let's fold the paper in half this way. When you fold the paper in half, make sure that all edges are lined up, and then you can use a bond folder to crease it. Using the bond folder will help you crease the paper much easier. Now I can turn the paper this way. Now let's start from this edge, fold it toward the other edge again. Do it slowly and make sure that all edges are lined up, and then you can crease the paper down. After the paper is creased down, you can open the layers. So there are probably two layers, one on this side, one on the other side. Just open the layer and push the edge down. When you push the edge down, do it slowly until it matches the edge below. This is the center crease as well. So now you have a very simple shape, right? Crease it down again and then fold this layer toward the other side so that it looks like what it's looked before. Same thing, now we have two layers. Open the layers and open the paper this way and press down the crease. When you creasing down the crease, make sure that all edges are lined up and then adjust it using your finger or using the bond folder to adjust to make sure that the crease looks nice. So after the crease works perfectly, you can fold the layer back, and now you open this layer. I fold it to the center crease. I press the paper down, and I can adjust the paper to make sure that the crease is really nice. Then I'll start from this edge. I fold it to the center crease. Fold slowly until it hits to the center crease. Then I just crease down the edge. I can unfold this part of paper and show you the next step. I will fold this part of paper up, and you can see that the distance is about just 1/3 of an inch, or it can be 1 centimeter. It's around that. It doesn't need to be exact. And now I can crease the paper down and it looks nice. After that, I'm going to fold this layer, the layer that I'm holding right now, toward the other side. Now repeat the same fold for the opposite side. For any paper airplanes, you will fold the same thing. You fold the same fold on the left and the same fold on the right, so it should be the same. So once you finish the fold on the right side, you repeat the same fold on the left side. Make sure that both edges, both folds are the same and even. So I'll do the same. I'll start from the edge. I fold to the center crease. I can hold the paper and show you how I fold right here. And next as well, I want to create a beautiful, nice elevator. So I'll fold this part of the paper up a little bit, and again the distance is about 1/3 of an inch or 1 centimeter. It depends on the type of matrix you want to use. So now I can fold this part of paper back, and I fold this layer down. Now you can see this part of paper is back. I fold the upper layer back, so you do not see all the crease below, but from the corner I will fold a straight line toward the other corner. So I'll fold this corner up. I'll show you how I do it right now. Just fold it up. Yes, adjust the paper as you need and fold slowly. And I can use a bond folder to crease the paper so that it stays intact and nice. Now I will start from the edge. I fold straight up, I fold a triangle shape up, and I crease it down very well so that it look nice and stay long. very nice shape, look like a fish, right? All right, so we have the fish shape, but then we can do a few more steps to make the paper airplane look more like a jet. I have this part of the paper. I will use it to make the wing of the plane. So fold it straight out. You can see this corner hit to the corner, so closely you will see that the intersection of two edges create a corner, and then fold straight out. Matching it to another corner on the other side right here, and I press down the paper, press this out, adjust it, hold it tight, and press this central part of the plane down so that I finish the first wing of the plane. I repeat the same fold for the other side of the wing, but this time it will be much easier because now I can use the edge of the other part of the wing as a reference to fold this wing. Again, it should hit into the corner of the edge. If you hold the paper slowly, you will see that. And I can fold this part of paper backward. Now you can see that I have a shape of the plane already, right? We need to create a cabin of the plane, of the jet. Before I do that part, I will fold the elevators up. So I create the elevators at this point, so when I create the body of the plane, this will be much easier for me to fold. So for this part up, I will adjust it a little bit. I move it up a little bit, down a little bit, and even the part that is hidden in the pocket, I will pull it up a little bit. So this is very important that you do this step properly. You need to make it look nice, clean. Otherwise, the next step will be a challenge. So do it clearly. Now on the top edge of the plane, I will fold up, down, so that it creates a weight on the head. And also, let's make the planes look nice. This is the goal, right? So fold down, adjust it for both sides. This is how I create the body of the plane. Now you can see the plane is already there, very close. Next step, I will press this part of the paper down. You can see this. I press this down one side first. I hold it. I press this down a little bit. Yes, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. Just pop the other side up. That's why I can create the body of the plane. Yes, adjust the body of the plane. This is very important to have the plane fly. And keep in mind that this plane doesn't fly very well, so don't expect it to fly very, very far. We'll fold the wing up, right? We need to create the body of the plane. This is important that you curve the paper a little bit first and then press it down until it looks really, really correct. So you should just I finished one side and I repeat the same fold for the other side. I want to make sure that both sides are even. This is the rule. Both sides always need to be even. Now the stabilizer, again, I will fold up. It's hidden a little bit of the under the pocket, so I need to adjust it before I fold it up to make the plane look nice and flyable. I just adjust it and fold it to make sure that the crease parallel with the central crease. And then I repeat the same fold for the other side. I hold the paper up, adjust it a little bit, and then press it down. There we go. So this is how I create a stabilizer for both sides. And I can adjust the paper a little bit. I fold up a bit, I fold down a bit, make sure that it stays strong. Once I finish with the stabilizers, I will fold the end of the wing up to make it look Awesome. So now here you go, everyone. This is the new paper airplane, and guess what? You can adjust the head, the body of the plane as much as you need. And once everything is done, the paper airplane is ready to test out. And if it doesn't fly very well because you throw it hard, so this paper airplane is tricky. It's not a long distance paper airplane. It's a fun paper airplane that explore and have fun. So when you throw it, just lightly. If you throw it lightly, it will fly. But again, if it doesn't fly, you can modify the plane by create the elevators, for it up a little bit, for it down a little bit, and throw it. Hold the paper. Alright, so check out this plane, everyone. Alright, so hold the plane right here and just throw it. It's pretty good. Check it out, everyone. Hold the plane right here